So the complaint I got from this microwave is that it's doing the opposite of its job. So guys, we have a mini deep freezer. For fixing one of these, make sure you have a good understanding of what you're doing.
I can't think. What am I supposed to What am I supposed to do? Yeah. I can't.
The best safety approach to work on one of these as a beginner is to simply wait for about 5 minutes after you disconnect the power from the microwave before you even think of taking out the screws.
What am I supposed to do?
So guys, to cut the long story short, the problem with this microwave is faulty high voltage diode, which is located after the high voltage transformer close to the capacitor.